Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today I want to talk about some important signs that your vehicle needs a coolant flush. A lot of people don't realize how vital a healthy coolant system is for your engine. Coolant helps regulate engine temp, keeps things lubricated, and prevents corrosion inside the cooling system. Over time, it can get full of gunk and stop working properly. If you ignore the signs, it can lead to overheating, leaks, or even engine damage down the road. Definitely something you want to stay on top of. Now let's look at the main signs your car needs a coolant flush. 1. Overheating engine. Overheating can occur when coolant is contaminated with debris, reducing its effectiveness in cooling the engine. This can lead to serious engine damage. A coolant flush replaces contaminated coolant and helps maintain optimal engine temperatures. 2. Visible rust or scale deposits. Rust and scale in the coolant system can clog and reduce its efficiency, leading to potential overheating. Flushing the system removes these deposits, restoring proper function. 3. Leaking coolant. Contaminants in the coolant can corrode the system, causing leaks. These leaks can result in low coolant levels and overheating. A coolant flush, alongside leak repair, can prevent further damage. 4. Poor heater performance. If the car heater is underperforming, it could be due to blockages in the cooling system. A coolant flush can clear these blockages, ensuring proper heater operation. 5. Color or consistency change. Coolant that looks discolored or sludgy indicates chemical breakdown or contamination. A flush replaces old coolant with fresh, properly mixed coolant, ensuring effective cooling. 6. Temperature gauge fluctuations. Erratic temperature readings can be caused by inconsistent coolant flow due to blockages or air pockets. A coolant flush ensures consistent flow and stable temperature readings. 7. Frequent coolant top-offs. Needing to add coolant frequently can indicate leaks or excessive consumption. A coolant flush can help ensure the system is properly sealed and functioning. 8. Grinding noises. Sediments in the coolant can cause abrasive wear on components, leading to grinding noises. Flushing out these particles can prevent further damage. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how often should you do a coolant flush? The frequency of needing a coolant flush can vary depending on several factors. Here are the vital ones. 1. Manufacturer's recommendations. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual first. Manufacturers typically suggest a coolant flush every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or about every 2 to 5 years, whichever comes first. However, some newer models with advanced coolant formulations may allow longer intervals. 2. Type of coolant. Traditional green antifreeze usually requires changing every 2 to 3 years. Extended life coolants, often orange or red, can last up to 5 years or more. 3. Driving conditions. If you often drive in severe conditions like extreme temperatures, towing heavy loads, or frequent stop-and-go traffic, your coolant may degrade faster, necessitating more frequent flushes. 4. Visual inspection and performance. If the coolant looks dirty, rusty, or has particles floating in it, or if you're experiencing issues like overheating or heater problems, a flush might be needed sooner. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.